Hi everyone, my name is Wasim and welcome to I Learn English. Today, we're going to be doing a reading activity that will help you improve your language proficiency. The importance of reading cannot be overstated when it comes to learning a new language. Reading allows you to expand your vocabulary, improve your comprehension, and increase your fluency. In this activity, I'll be providing you with four short paragraphs, and after each one, I'll be asking you a single question to evaluate your understanding of the paragraph. I want you to read the paragraph only once and try to guess the right answer before moving on to the next paragraph. Are you ready to take the challenge and see if you can guess all four answers correctly? Let's get started. The young man had many dreams, but the most important one was to become a successful businessman. He had always been fascinated by the world of business and finance, and he was determined to make it to the top. He studied hard and worked even harder, putting in long hours at the office and sacrificing his free time. But despite the challenges, he never gave up on his dream. He knew that one day all of his hard work would pay off and he would achieve success. The young boy was running through the streets, dodging cars as he made his way home. He was wearing his school uniform, the blazer crumpled and sweat stains visible on his t-shirt. He made a backpack slung over one shoulder and a notebook clutched in his hand. He was late, and he knew that if he didn't hurry, he would be in trouble. The old man sat on the park bench, staring out at the lake. He was wearing a fedora hat and a long coat despite the summer heat. He had a newspaper folded on his lap and a pair of binoculars hanging around his neck. He had been coming to this park for years, and he knew every inch of it like the back of his hand. The woman was at a loss. She had been staring at the painting for hours, trying to make sense of it. The colors and shapes seemed to shift and change before her eyes, never quite forming a coherent image. She couldn't understand why it had such a hold on her, why she couldn't look away. She had a sketchbook and pencil in her hand. She thought if she could sketch it, she could understand it. That concludes our reading activity for today. I hope you enjoy it and learned something new. Please comment below and let me know which question you found the most difficult to answer. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video if you found it helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.